Okay, let's talk carbon dioxide dragster races. So this is our next project, and this is kind of something like what your final outcome may look like. This is an example from our last cycle. So, what are they? Why are we doing it? Here are some details. This is the material that you are going to be using. This material is called Paulownia wood. Now, Paulownia wood is one of the lightest woods in the world. So we're using it because if it's light, it's going to go faster. So we could have used balsa wood, but that's quite expensive. So we're using Paulownia wood. It's grown in New Zealand, and it's going to give us a nice light body of our CO2 Dragster. Now, it's a pretty simple concept. We have a carbon dioxide canister in here. It gets pierced and the dragster fires down the track. We've got some back wheels, front wheels, and you'll notice that this design has had some material taken away. So this student has tried to make their dragster quite aerodynamic. Now, if you're not sure what that word means, might be a good idea to look it up or discuss it with your whānau at home. Aerodynamic. So when you come in for next lesson, we're going to be thinking about drawing designs for our CO2 dragsters. So you might start thinking about, what does a fast design look like?